The testimony of Fani Willis serves as a reminder of the enduring frustrations experienced by black women in positions of leadership. Greetings, everyone. Today's video focuses on the examination of Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis's personal life during a crucial hearing that could potentially lead to her office's removal from the state's election interference case involving former President Donald Trump. This situation has brought to the surface deep-seated frustrations experienced by black women leaders. Many black women have expressed their disappointment as the public's attention has shifted from the legal merits of the criminal case to scrutinizing the personal actions of a black woman leading the prosecution. The investigations into Willis's romantic and financial affairs were filled with stereotypes and accusations that are often unjustly directed at black women. And now, without any further delay, let us begin our discussion. As a seasoned prosecutor, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis is well versed in handling complex and high-profile cases. However, when she found herself on the witness stand defending her own actions against the legal teams representing defendants accused of election interference, it was a disheartening sight that resonated with many black women. According to Jessica T. Ornsby, a family litigation attorney in the Washington, D.C. area, the feeling of familiarity is undeniable. It is widely acknowledged that black women in positions of power often experience pressure to go above and beyond to be perceived as equal to their colleagues. According to Ornsby, Miss Willis is facing scrutiny for matters that are not directly connected to her job performance, a situation that is commonly observed with other black women who are frequently subjected to intense scrutiny. During a remarkable hearing that could potentially lead to her office's dismissal from the state's case against former President Donald Trump for election interference, Willis provided testimony. On Thursday, she faced inquiries regarding her connection with Nathan Wade, the attorney spearheading the prosecution for her office. While Willis and Wade have admitted to having a personal relationship, they have firmly denied engaging in any inappropriate behavior. In numerous work environments, including prominent private law firms, the existence of co-worker relationships is either forbidden or requires disclosure, regardless of the validity of the argument made by Trump and his co-defendants that Willis's behavior was inappropriate. Despite receiving support for the case, Willis has been subject to criticism from legal professionals due to her association with Wade. However, it is rare for individuals in similar situations to have the most personal aspects of their lives exposed to the public eye. Numerous black women leaders in conversations with the Associated Press conveyed a sense of dissatisfaction and disillusionment as the focus shifted from the legal aspects of the case to the personal actions of the black woman in charge of the prosecution. This situation resonates deeply with their own encounters, where their authority, competence, and character have been repeatedly put to the test. Melanie Campbell, President and CEO of the National Coalition on Black Civic Participation, expressed her admiration for the woman's self-assertion, while simultaneously expressing her disdain for the necessity of such action. Reflecting on the video footage of the testimony, Campbell couldn't help but question the treatment the woman endured, wondering why she was being subjected to a trial-like atmosphere. Campbell made a statement asserting that black women are experiencing a sense of being targeted, which she believes to be an indisputable reality. When Willis, known for her sharp legal skills, testified on Thursday to refute claims of improper financial gain from the prosecution due to her relationship, her visible distress was evident. In response to the allegations made in court filings, the district attorney vehemently declared, "It is a falsehood." In her testimony, Willis expressed her belief that there has been an invasion of privacy into individuals' personal lives. She emphasized that she is not the one on trial, despite attempts to portray her as such. According to Willis, the individuals who are truly on trial are those who allegedly attempted to manipulate the 2020 election. The investigations into Willis's personal and financial affairs were filled with stereotypes and unfounded allegations, a burden that black women frequently face. Expressing her strong disapproval, Keir Bradford Gray, a partner at Montgomery McCracken law firm in Philadelphia, characterized the inquiries into Willis's personal life as repugnant. Additionally, she highlighted the troubling consequences this incident holds for black women in positions of leadership, emphasizing that it is disheartening to envision a future where they are persistently subjected to such treatment despite their proven competence. LaTosha Brown, one of the co-founders of Black Voters Matter, expressed her frustration with the fact that Willis was being questioned about personal matters such as her financial status, relationships, and travel companions, rather than focusing on the important work of her organization. When it comes down to it, what is the true essence of this situation? Brown inquired. Whenever there is a need to hold white power, particularly white men responsible for their actions, the initial response is to discredit those who are holding them accountable, particularly when those individuals happen to be black women. The focus on Willis's personal life has shifted the spotlight away from the allegations against Trump. In the past year, there have been 4 instances in which he has faced charges. These accusations include conspiring to overturn the outcome of the 2020 election in Georgia and Washington, D.C., accumulating classified materials in Florida, and manipulating business records in Manhattan regarding the payment of hush money to Stormy Daniels, an adult film actress, on his behalf. Trump has consistently criticized specific prosecutors, judges, and the entire legal system. However, when it comes to women and individuals of color, he employs distinct, sometimes veiled language in his criticisms. According to Brittany Packnett Cunningham, a prominent advocate for racial equality and host of a podcast, Donald Trump is well aware that he can easily exploit a black woman to appeal to his base. It is important to acknowledge that among the numerous accusations he has faced, this specific attack on her character based on personal actions is particularly targeted. Trump has not employed this tactic in other instances, making it significant that he chose to do so against a black woman. The testimony provided by Willis served as a reminder of the public scrutiny faced by black women in positions of leadership, drawing parallels to recent events such as the removal of former Harvard University President Claudine Gay and the confirmation hearings of Supreme Court Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson. According to Ormsby, the images captured during the court proceedings resonate with our everyday encounters of defending ourselves against a multitude of individuals who lack our background and hold various implicit and explicit biases. The court has yet to reach a decision on whether Willis will be disqualified from the criminal case, leaving the situation in a state of uncertainty. As a result, her team did not summon her to the stand on Friday. Cunningham emphasized that crucial topics, such as steering the nation away from the perils of fascism, are being overshadowed by superficial scrutiny of a black woman's appearance, character, and competence, despite her mere fulfillment of her professional duties. According to Bradford Gray, the criteria used to evaluate women and their actions are subject to intense scrutiny, and it is evident that these standards differ significantly, or rather greatly, from those applied to men. She expresses her desire for a future where women unite and demand equal treatment, aspiring to attain the same level of expectations as their male counterparts. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.